Hello and welcome to Rapid Fire Friday, the weekly dynamic signal blog series where we put one DySi team member in the hot seat. They get 15 seconds to answer 5 questions about themselves and you get a peek at the people behind the DySi brand. Today I am joined with my friend Sheena Clarke. Sheena is our Senior Manager of Enterprise and Corporate Strategy. Does that fit on a business card?
It does.
Okay.
Really like 8-point.
Got it.
Font.
Yeah. It's a big title. It's a big deal.
Yeah.
It's a big role.
Yeah.
Which you get to learn more about in this blog post. Okay, Sheena, you've seen these. You know how this works. You have 15 seconds. 15 actual seconds.
Okay.
To answer all 5 questions.
Nervous.
And people fail at this. Like they just go way over. So
Yeah.
you can't pontificate.
I don't want to fail.
Yeah. Well, just your
Straight
chance.
to the point.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna get 15 seconds on the clock.
Okay.
Which is up here.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Best drink in the DySi kitchen.
LaCroix.
Yes. Favorite pet.
Boogie.
Where did you grow up?
Barbados.
Secret talent.
Flip Cup champion.
I believe that. 2018 goal.
Get married.
Yes. Yes. Yay. You did it in under 15 seconds. Also, let's clarify, when you say like get married, you're not like, you're actually currently engaged. Yeah, that's not like we're not starting from scratch.
That would be a lofty goal. But I'm already halfway there.
The clock is ticking, fellas. Yeah, almost there. When's the wedding?
May 26, 2018.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to be able to have a venue that fits every DySi team member? Because we've got a big group here.
I'm hoping that Russ will sponsor a DySi event for everyone.
Note to Russ.
Note to Russ. But no, we're having it in Barbados. So
destination
yeah.
where you grew up. So you need to elaborate on Boogie as a pet.
Okay,
what does that mean?
So Boogie is my adorable blue dapple dachshund puppy.
Hashtag
Boogie in the city. Follow at Boogie in the City on Instagram. He is the cutest thing ever. And he's almost 8 months old. And
you guys love him.
we love him.
Sometimes we sneak him in the office. Shh, don't tell the landlords. Hopefully they don't watch this. They
won't watch this.
Okay. So you can learn more about Sheena in the blog post and her role in strategy and how she supports her team and our clients and our sales folks. There's a lot of important stakeholders that you get to work with.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's good.
Best role in the company.
And they're hiring. And we're hiring. Yeah, awesome. Well, happy Friday. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Robin.
Bye.
Bye.